family, welcome to Sherry's Crafting 2017. We're here, we're one great big family. Welcome all of our new subscribers to our channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so and hit the bell down below. You'll be notified each time I load a video. Okay, this is going to be a little simple vase for your kitchen, okay? Or your little wine bar or whatever. Y'all know the little coasters with the cork back. Well, you need 5 of those. You need a little piece of styrofoam and 1 bunch of roses is what I'm using. And all you do is turn you guys down here where you can see. I'm going to take the bottom and I'm going to place it with the cork on the bottom. So that way, you know, if it moves around on your table, you know, it's not going to hurt, or your counter, it's not going to hurt it. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to hot glue one end and I'm going to stick my coaster even. And I'm going to do this all the way around. And I'm also going to make sure. Yep. Make sure you got plenty of glue sticks, guys. Okay. Just get it even. And work my way around all 4 corners. Make sure got it in there. Then I'm going to take my little styrofoam and I'm just going to stick it in there and take my wire cutters and put them back in my drawer, guys. Sorry. And clip them off. Place them in my the way I want them. You can have some taller, some longer, shorter, whatever, you know. And place them however you want them. And cut your ribbon off, tag off, sorry. And I like the leaves showing on the rose. And there you go, guys. You can take a little hot glue, stick it in there, and voila. A little simple base for your kitchen counter. Quick and easy. Alright guys, let me know what you think. And remember, hold on to your stems so you can make some more fairy dolls. Alright guys, I love y'all. God bless. And I will be checking messages on my YouTube channel and answering questions and giving y'all feedback on stuff that y'all may be asking. Alright guys, I love y'all. God bless. Mwah.